Learn 25 plus cooking and kitchen phrasal verbs. Cut up. Meaning, to cut into smaller pieces. Cut up the carrots for the salad. I'm cutting up some fruit for the kids. Chop up. Meaning, to cut into small pieces with a knife. Chop up the onions before cooking. I'm chopping up vegetables for the curry. Slice up. Meaning, to cut into thin pieces. Slice up the bread for sandwiches. I'm slicing up the apples for the pie. Peel off. Meaning, to remove the skin or outer layer. Peel off the orange skin, please. I'm peeling off the corn husks. Stir in. Meaning, to add an ingredient and mix it into food. Stir in the sugar until it dissolves. I'm stirring in some butter for extra flavor. Mix in. Meaning, to add and combine with other ingredients. Mix in the chocolate chips. I'm mixing in the spices before baking. Whip up. Meaning, to prepare food quickly. Whip up a quick omelet for breakfast. I'm whipping up a salad in 5 minutes. Measure out. Meaning, to take the right amount using a measuring tool. Measure out 2 cups of rice. I'm measuring out the flour for the cake. Lay out. Meaning, to arrange ingredients or utensils before cooking. Lay out all the ingredients on the counter. I'm laying out the utensils for dinner. Cut out. Meaning, to remove by cutting. Cut out the fat from the meat. I'm cutting out the cookie shapes. Boil over. Meaning, to flow over the edge of a pot or pan while boiling. Don't let the milk boil over. Be careful, the soup is about to boil over. Heat up. Meaning, to make food hot. Heat up the leftovers before dinner. I'm heating up some soup for lunch. Fry up. Meaning, to cook in hot oil. Fry up the onions until golden. I'm frying up some fish for dinner. Grill up. Meaning, to cook food on a grill. Grill up some chicken for dinner. I'm grilling up some fish for dinner. Roast up. Meaning, to cook food in an oven or over fire until browned and cooked through. Roast up the potatoes until crispy. I'm roasting up a whole chicken. Bake up. Meaning, to cook in the oven, bread, cake, etc. Let's bake up some muffins for breakfast. I'm baking up cookies for the kids. Simmer down. Meaning, to cook slowly at a low heat. Simmer down the sauce for 20 minutes. Let the soup simmer down before serving. Pour in. Meaning, to make a liquid flow into a container. Pour in the milk slowly. Pour in the water before adding the rice. Sprinkle on. Meaning, to add small amounts of dry ingredients. Sprinkle on some salt before frying the eggs. Sprinkle on a little pepper to taste. Try out. Meaning, to test a recipe for the first time. Try out this new pasta recipe. I'm trying out a new cake recipe today. Serve up. Meaning, to put food on plates for people. Serve up the soup while it's hot. I'm serving up pasta for everyone. Dish out. Meaning, to serve food by putting portions onto plates from a pot, bowl, or large dish. Dish out the rice evenly. I'm dishing out salad for the guests. Pass around. Meaning, to give food to everyone at the table. Pass around the bread basket, please. I'm passing around the drinks. Clear away. Meaning, to remove dishes from the table. Clear away the plates after dinner. I'm clearing away the cups from the table. Wipe down, meaning to clean a surface with a cloth. Wipe down the kitchen counter. I'm wiping down the table after lunch. Wash up, meaning to clean dishes after a meal. Wash up the pots and pans. I'm washing up after breakfast. Put away, meaning to store things back in their place. Put away the dishes after washing. I'm putting away the leftovers in the fridge.